Good evening students. This is the chemistry session today for class 9th, and now I am going to start the new topic, matter in our surrounding. So let us see. I am going to discuss the topic an activity, and it is matter is made up of particles. So let us understand how matter is made up of particles with the help of an activity. So for this we will take a 100 ml beaker. This is a 100 ml beaker, and fill it half with water. This is water, and now add. Now note the level of water in second step, and then we will add some sugar or salt in the beaker and dissolve it with the help of a glass rod. This is glass rod, and then again note the level of water. What do you find? You will find that the level of water does not rise. So from this activity we observe that the sugar or salt particles get spaces into water particles, and that's why the level of water does not increase. So we can say that matter is made up of particles. So let us recap what are the steps. Number 1, take a 100 ml beaker, fill half of it with water. In second step, we will note the level of water, and in next step, dissolve some sugar or salt in water, and now observe the level of water. Does not rise, and where has the sugar particles gone? These particles get spaces into water particles. So from this activity, what result do you find? The result is matter is made up of particles. Now take a screenshot of it. Now this is second activity. Matter is made up of tiny particles. So let us see and try to understand how matter is made up of tiny particles. For this, take 100 ml water in a beaker. This is water, and now add 2-3 crystals of 2-3 crystals of KMnO4. It is potassium permanganate, and dissolve it with the help of glass rod properly. Now, after dissolving it, you will see that the color of solution becomes pink, and then take another beaker containing 90 ml water. And transfer, let it is beaker A and it is beaker B. In beaker A, the solution is 100 ml. This is 100 ml, and transfer 10 ml from beaker A to beaker B. So we will transfer 10 ml solution from beaker A to beaker B, and then again take one more beaker containing 90 ml water. It contains 90 ml water. Let this beaker is C, and now again transfer 10 ml solution from beaker B to beaker C. Again you will find the color of solution is pink, and now in this way we will repeat the same activities 5 to 8 times. What do you find? You will find that the color of solution is still pink. So from this activity we can conclude that just one crystal, 2-3 crystals or few crystals of potassium permanganate can color many liters of solution, and it means just one crystal contains millions of tiny particles. So we can note in this way. First step, take 100 ml water, 100 ml water in a beaker. In second step, dissolve 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate in the next step, take another beaker, B having 90 ml clear water, and in the next step transfer 10 ml solution from beaker A to beaker B. Then in the next step, take 90 ml water in another beaker, C. In the next step, transfer 10 ml solution from beaker B to beaker C, and then in the next step repeat this activity 5 to 8 times, and then we observe. Now take a screenshot of it. Now what do we observe? So observation, the color of solution still appears pink, it shows that KMNO4 crystals or particles are present in the solution. And now, what conclusion we can draw? So conclusion, what is the conclusion? From this activity, we can conclude that just few crystals of KMNO4, that is potassium permanganate, can color many liters of solution. It means one crystal of potassium permanganate contains millions of particles. Okay, now take a screenshot of it. Thank you, students. This session is completed today, and now we will discuss characteristics of particles of matter in the next video. Thank you, students.